Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. And if you want to see what's inside this box and where the hell I've been, then keep on watching. Have y'all missed me? Because it's been a minute. If you guys recall, in one of my most recent videos, I said that I was going back to school. I will be happy to say that my first semester back to college in 7 years, I actually maintained an A average. Yay! This website's kind of taken a little bit of a backseat. I did receive my FabFitFun box, and we know how much I love unboxing these for you guys. So that's why we're here today. We got a lot to unpack here, so let's go ahead and jump on it. We're sitting on the floor because we got another big ass box. I did take advantage of the seasonal sale from FabFitFun, so I did pick up some extra goodies along with my FabFitFun box for summer 2021, which is included inside. I will be sure to list all the products down below if you are interested. I will go through the items that I picked up in the sale first, and then we'll unbox the box. You guys might recall in the last FabFitFun box I did, I said I love receiving jewelry from FabFitFun because your girl doesn't know how to accessorize. I've gotten much better if you've ever seen my Stitch Fix videos, and you know how much I did not know how to accessorize. The Baublebar, these are Pisa set, P-I-S-A. These are little bracelets, 5 separate bracelets, which I really like that they're tangled. They're all individual. You can stack them together, wear them separately. They are very heavy, so it doesn't feel like it's cheap. Did also pick up the Ojo Evil Eye pendant choker necklace. I wouldn't call it like a choker necklace. It actually sits kind of low. It's a good necklace to kind of layer things with, and it looks good with the bracelets as well. So kind of a big fan of just building my jewelry collection and just putting little staple pieces in there. The next thing that I did pick up, which I actually have in use, JK, you can't see it on the shelf. EXO Sienna felt message board. I received a promotion at work, and I bought this for the intent of decorating my new office with, but sis hasn't moved into her new office yet. I don't know when sis is going to move into her new office, but I did buy this in preparation for it. This I also picked up, which is the Snap White the Flosser, which is basically just like a water pick. This was kind of something I had been eyeballing for a while, not maybe this particular brand, but a water pick in itself. My dentist yells at me because I'm not really good at flossing my teeth. All the dental work I've done in the last 4 years, I really need to get better at doing it. Okay, come here. A twofer here, which is the Hum Hair Sweet Hair Gummies. It was actually a year ago today that I chopped all of my hair off. Thanks to Olaplex and collagen, my hair has actually grown quite long in the year. Anything to make my hair and my nails grow long, I'm all for it. Obviously, one of the best parts about FabFitFun is the bundles. We all know how much I love sheet masks, so sis bought some more. These are the Pure Aura. I want to say there's like 12 in here. I could totally be wrong. Got 2 more things from the sale. This is the IGK Mixed Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. I have been obsessed with IGK hair, but I have recently discovered some new products, so I'm really excited to try these. I'm gonna wait to start using them until after I get my hair platinum, just because I want to see if it is going to make a difference. And I also did receive the Lumify eye whitening drops. This was actually a freebie because I spent so much on the sale. I've heard quite a few different influencers talking about this particular product. I know for myself, my eyes, I don't think my eyes are strained or they're constantly bloodshot. But if it was a freebie and if it's going to make my eyes look brighter, why would I not want that? Jump into the main event, which is this summer's FabFitFun box. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I picked everything that's inside this box. Of course, we have our partnerships with FabFitFun. What is this? This is an offer from Nourish. You get 50% off your first month, and it looks like that it is very similar to Care Of, which is supplements and vitamins sent to your door specific to your needs. So we have another offer from HelloFresh. Looks like we get 14 free meals. What's all this? We have our publication inside, which has all the products across all FabFitFun boxes. Oh, that's no fun. They don't include the prices anymore, so I don't know how much this box is going to be worth. I have here the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. CC creams also can act as a foundation if you want to really minimalize your skincare summer makeup routine. I put a little bit on the back of my hand here. It seems like it's going to absorb into the skin pretty well. It's a little tacky. There's a serum, you put it on after you cleanse, before you moisturize. And yeah, I haven't used any Summer Friday products, but I have a friend who is obsessed with I think it's the jet lag mask. She's highly obsessed with it, has told me about it. The Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen and SPF 40. I cannot stress enough how important it is to use your sunscreen. But this is one that I really like because it wears really nicely under makeup. I use this specifically for my face just because I have other stuff for my body that I use. It doesn't leave any white cast on my face. When I saw that this was an option that I could choose, it was a no-brainer. I was picking this up. We do have a repeat product here, but because I loved it so much the first time I got it, saw it was an option to customize, of course I picked it, which was the Lash MD eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. It's been a few FabFit boxes. I will be sure to link it up here. I have been using lash serums because I love and miss my lash extensions dearly. I miss them so much, but I don't miss how much they cost. Wasn't really necessarily a growing serum, but I did notice when I used it, the lashes looked great. If I didn't use it, the lashes looked like trash. Really liked my results the first time with it, saw it was an option, wanted to grab it again. Something that I'm actually pretty excited about, which is the Mille traveling jewelry case. So it has a couple different compartments here. You can put like studded earrings or rings or something along here, something like a little bit smaller in these pockets up here. It has a mirror, which is nice. And then if you pull this guy down, it has another compartment and an actual pocket inside. So if like you want to have hoops or something, or necklaces, pendants, whatever the case may be, it's very sturdy. It's not like it's going to be flimsy in your bag. It's something that if I were to throw in my luggage, it's not going to take up a ton of space. And it gives me peace of mind that my jewelry is not going to be all tangled up. Next, we have the African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. I feel like that every FabFitFun box I get, they try to get me to use body oils. Not something that I'm like really a big fan of, to be honest with you. It doesn't really have a smell, but let's go ahead and put a little bit on the back of the hand here. You know how we do. Maybe it wasn't the smartest idea to put it right on top of the CC cream. I think something like this would be good for the summer. As I mentioned in the last FabFitFun box I got with the last body oil I received, one of my secret tips and tricks is to use this on not freshly shaved legs, but like day 2 or day 3 shaved legs. Ain't nobody gonna notice that your legs are prickly because you won't be blinding them. So this is in the Moisturizing After Sun Gel from Mine, which is tan body and skin. So basically it's just gonna be your run-of-the-mill aloe vera. I'm gonna be going to Orlando at the end of June. Pray for me. And I know that this is going to be my best friend. You know what it smells like? It smells like tequila. Pretty excited about this. I do plan on actually getting some sun when I'm down in Orlando. I feel like this is going to be a godsend. I feel like I'm going to need a bigger bottle though. Because like, your girl's white. That was this season's FabFitFun box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos, which I promise will be hopefully more frequently. This month's FabFitFun box, if I'm gonna be honest, I kind of feel like it was a little depressing. I think a lot of the products have a lot of fluidity between all of them where like it makes sense, like sun care, sunscreen, sun protection, all that stuff. I think that's great. Like don't get, like it wasn't a terrible box. I think it was my least favorite that I've received so far. I picked everything inside the box. So like as fun as it is to get everything, but even when I was picking the items in the box, it just didn't seem like there was a lot to have. There wasn't like, you know, the only products I was like, oh my god, I need were the sunscreen and the eyelash serum, but these are 2 products I've used in the past that I love. My first video back in about 3 months, it's kind of a little lackluster, but sorry. I guess. I don't really know. I know it's been a long time since I've actually like sat down, given you guys a life update or anything. But I've just been really busy with school, work, the gym, all of those things, like getting back to normal. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and go. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Oh, my poor body. Okay, stop yelling at me.
The confidence I have of showing this ugly mug on the internet. Oh, did you just hear my hip pop? Unseen sunscreen. Unseen sunscreen. Whoa. What's happening here? Oh, we need to charge you. Running away. Sis loves a bargain here, if we haven't figured that out already. Speaking of new accessories, let's talk about this guy for a second. Yeah, manic episode. It's fun. I don't